New just listed home, 5253 First Avenue North, St. Petersburg, Florida, by Amanda Siegeltouch from the Military Veteran Team. This 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom, 1,988 square feet home in St. Petersburg's coveted location offers modern comfort in a privileged setting. Built in 2017, the residence features a versatile open-concept layout connecting the dining room, living room, and kitchen for maximum comfort. Spacious bedrooms allow you to decorate and implement your unique style, plus a versatile bonus room perfect for a home office or study. Enjoy spa-like bathrooms designed for relaxation and a double lot that provides exceptional outdoor space with a private deck and garden areas. Practical details include rear alley access for RV/boat parking alongside a 2-car garage. Don't miss this perfect combination of space, location, and potential.
Buy or sell with us and move for free in Pinellas County. Google Military Veteran Realtor Team and see why we're #1 on Google.